A container of base area 0.025 meters square is filled with a liquid to a depth of 0.6 meters, producing a force of 150 Newton on the base. 1. Calculate the density of the liquid. 2. The liquid density is completely replaced with water. That's the density of the water to be 1000 kg per meter cube. Determine the new depth of water required to produce the same force on the base. Okay, let's solve it. We have our solution. The area of the base was given to be 0.025 meters square, and the depth, which is h, is 0.6 meters, and the force on the base to be 150, so which is F 150 Newton. So question 1, we have to calculate for the density of the liquid. So question 1, but we know pressure to be force over area, and also we know pressure to be density times gravity times the depth, which is h. So this means that density and gravity times the depth is equal to force over area. So therefore, density is equal to force over gravity times the depth times the area. So density is equal to 150 divided by the gravity is 10 times the depth, which is 0.6, times the area, which is 0.0025. Okay, so density will be equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Question 2, the density of the water was given to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and the question says it produced the same force on the base, so meaning F will be equal to 150 Newton. Okay, so we have to calculate for the new depth. This means that we have density times gravity times height be equal to force over area. So by making the h the subject, this will be F over density times gravity times the area, which will be equal to the force is 150 divided by the density, which is 1000, times the gravity, which is 10, times the area, which is 0.025. Okay, so h will be equal to 150 divided by, I'm using the calculator, 1000 times 10 times 0.025, which will give us 250, which will then be equal to 150 divided by 250 to be equal to 0.6 meters. So therefore, because the density is the same as the first one, the height or the depth remains the same, which is 0.6 meters. Thank you very much. Please like, share, leave a comment, and also subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.